Alright, so the last step in finishing this painting is going to be to add a little bit of a texture overlay. Something that's going to help bring all of our colors a little bit closer together and also give just a little bit more grunge over the whole thing. So, I have this texture layer I downloaded. You can use whatever grunge texture you like. I'm going to go with this one. And we're going to set the layer to overlay. And you're going to see right away that it's a little strong color-wise. So what we can do is come over to our image, go to our adjustments and hue saturation, and we can lower the saturation on it, and we can also darken it a little bit if we need to. Okay, and then I'm just going to come to my opacity slider and tone it all down just a bit so it's not quite so in our face. And there we go. That is the finished product. So we're going to go ahead and fill this up here. And there it is. That is our finished painting. So I hope you enjoyed that. It's a very long and arduous process to paint in this style, but as you can see, the results are pretty impressive and it turns out looking really good and makes a great portfolio piece. So hopefully you learned something. I'd love to see you paint this and put it in the Q&A or in the Facebook group, or try the technique on your own drawing and paint something else entirely. So that is it for this lecture, and I will see you guys in the next one.